That's our little one. We just change his nest. And here is the Hyoni as well. She's very interesting. Oi, 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 oi. It's okay, baby. It's okay, sweetie. Tick, tick, tick. He's almost hungry. We have to eat soon. But before eating, we have to clean the baby. Otherwise, the baby is making poop. And it starts smelling also. Hey, you are a little one. You are a little one. Hi, Pippi. Tick, 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 tick. Wings. Nam bu Hyoni. Tine Hyonam. A little baby, a little baby, a little baby. Oh, very soon I think he will start flying. Okay, he still needs time to grow up to fly. He's still a bit too young for it. Yes. Yes. Come on, baby cockatiel. Come on, baby cockatiel. You want to walk a bit? Can you walk on the floor? Here you are. Here you go. You are a little one. Oh, 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 oh. It's slippery. It's slippery on the floor. I know. I know. I know. Let's go on the sofa. On the sofa is better. Yeah? On the sofa is much more better. Yeah. You want to come to my hands? Come, baby. Good baby. Good baby. What's wrong? Why are you making this noise? You're so pretty, baby. Yes, you are. Do you think it's time for you to eat? Look at this one. He's so sweet. But he still have food. So he's gonna be okay for another 1 hour. And then before we go to sleep, we're gonna make him a cream. So now the time is almost 8 o'clock. So we'll wait for another one. I'd make it like half an hour. Are you trying to make a poop on me? Are you trying to make a poop on me? Where you are? I lost you. What? You want to hide? You want to hide? Tine Hyonam. Is a little baby there. Oh, little baby cockatiel. Yes. Look at it. He have a red cheeks already. From the little baby. Okay, actually he is now had to check up, but he's supposed to be like almost a month. Almost a month, but he's not a month yet. Cuckoo. Sweet baby. My other parrots, they wants to come out, they wants to fly. Yes. You are a sweet one. Look how cute he is. Can you see that? Slowly, slowly, all of them will come out and you will see his feathers properly. Do you think he's hungry? I believe he's gonna be more yellow with gray. Tine agapuli. Tine, sweet baby. Sweet baby. Sweet baby. And also we put a ring on him. He Have an orange ring this time with the number on it. So in case he will get lost, his new mommy gonna know the number. Yes. He's so sweet. So tiny in front of the Honey. Are you Honey? Hi, little baby. Hi, little baby. Let's have a look at your wings. Wee! Quite big wings. Oh. Wow! Wow! Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay. They're growing so fast, you know, guys. I mean, one day you will check them up, and they're tiny ones. Then you will go to check them. They're full of tiny hair like that. And then slowly, slowly they start becoming a parrot. Look how sweet. I like this baby. Yes, you are a sweet baby. Dini Hionam. Hioni. Hioni, 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 Hioni. You like this baby? Shall we keep him? Huh? You want to keep this baby, Hioni? Oi, oi, oi. What are you trying to do there? Oi, oi. I think I will put him in the box and I will let the other parts fly a bit in the house because I feel sorry about them to be locked inside. The weather in Cyprus is not so nice. Today we have a rain, so it's a bit cold outside. But okay, for the birds they're fine because they're covered. There is no wind around, so they're gonna be fine. Here he don't have hair at all. Can you see that, guys? It's naked. I can see his brains. Little wings. He's trying to protect himself. He don't want somebody to touch his wings. Yes. Shall we make a cream for you, baby? Or shall we wait for a while more? Huh? Shall we wait for a while more? Tin, tin, tin. Corona? Corona? You're like a queen. Yeah. A little tiny cockatiel baby. Tinere. Tine. Tine. Oi, 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 oi. You're so scary, yes you are. A little tail. A little tail. Say good night to the friends. Say good night to the friends. Say good night. Sweet little parrot. The little babies actually have to be fed 3 to 4 times a day. It also depends on the amount. And slowly, slowly they will become growing and friendly. Yes. Wow. You are cute. Cute little baby. Right, let's go to the box. Let's go to the box, baby. Oi. Oi, oi, oi. That's your box. Yes. Oi, oi, oi. You are too noisy. You're trying to scare me? Are you trying to scare me? I'm not scared of you. I'm not scared of you. Wait, wait, wait. You don't have enough there, so you're sleepy. It's slippery on the box. Τι είναι, Γιώνα? Hyun is a little baby. Don't scare him. You are too big for him. And it's also good to use the wood small things because it's taking also the smell, and it's, you know, it's more dry, and it's also warm for the little babies. You're okay. You're okay. You don't have to be scared. Actually, I don't know what to write. I don't know your questions. So if you have some questions, it's better ask me under the video. So then I can prepare something interesting for you for the next time. Thank you everybody for watching.